Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy your Flask app on Railway. First, ensure your Flask app is production ready with debug equals false and proper configuration for your environment. Now, create a Git repository for your Flask application and push it to GitHub. Then, install Qnicorn using pip install Qnicorn and include it in requirements.txt. Create a proc file in the root of your project with the command shown on the screen. Next, sign up or log in to Railway at railway.app. Here, click New Project and select Deploy from GitHub, then link your repository. After that, choose the Python environment and set any build commands or environment variables. Lastly, click Deploy and Railway will automatically deploy your Flask app. Access your live Flask app using the URL provided by Railway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.